Hey guys, TechMentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to receive text messages on two different iPhones. So let's get started. So in order to receive text message on two different iPhones, first thing is one of them, of course, have to have phone service. The other one necessarily doesn't have to have cellular service, so you don't have to get another phone number. You can use this feature on your iPhone to forward the text messages from one iPhone to another. What I mean by this, let's go ahead and show you. First thing is both of the phones have to use the same Apple ID account. So if you're using different one, it won't work. The reason that is because iMessages are synced between your iMessage through your Apple ID account. So first thing you also want to share is between these devices under iCloud, right? You want to go show all, and then ensure that messages are turned on. If they're not syncing, you need to sync between both of the devices from your iCloud. So the messages on here are also showing up here. So you want to ensure those are turned on. Now, after that, now comes the other part of receiving the text messages, which are your SMS or MMS, which are regular text messages, different from your iMessages. For this setting, you need to go into your both of your phones messages setting, right? And first thing is verify that both of the phones have iMessages turned on and they have the same receive and send ability. But if you go down a little bit further on this phone, you'll see here the ability to forward text messages. So this one is the one that I have phone service on. So that's why I have the ability to message forward basically all the text messages I get from this device to another device. And in order to do that, I simply need to pick the device that I want here. As you can see, I have two different iPhones, or you can also do it to other iOS devices like iPad as well. So all you do is turn it on, and then after that, all the text messages you get on this phone along with the iMessages will get forwarded to the second phone that you have, just like that. And that's how you set up for both of your iPhones to receive text messages. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button for future tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.